Cafe Fill Value Pack by perfectpod. Reusable kcup coffee pod filters and coffee scoop, compatible with Keurig K-Duo, Kmini, 1.0, 2.0, K-Series and select single-cup coffee makers. Convenient and efficient easy scoop design. 2 tablespoon capacity allows you to scoop the exact portion needed to refill the BPA-free 6-pack reusable K-Cups for Keurig, Living Aid refillable K-Cups coffee filters, stainless mesh reusable coffee pods compatible with Keurig 1.0 or 2.0 Keurig coffee maker, BPA free. For the best value, this 6-pack of reusable K-Cups bring great convenience when you need prepare coffee for your whole family and guests. There would be no waiting or cleanups in between. In no time, you'll be enjoying a cup of hot, delicious coffee. ECO Max by perfectpod, reusable coffee pod and coffee scoop, compatible with Keurig 1.0 coffee makers. BPA-free plastic and permanent micro-etched reusable coffee pod filter, for use with Keurig 1.0 coffee machines only. Keurig Starter Kit replacement for Keurig 2.0 K200, K250, K35, K-Duo and K-Compact coffee makers by PureHQ includes filter holder and 3-pack of Keurig compatible water filters. Fine charcoal filtration, premium organic activated charcoal granules are designed to increase the exposure to water and maximize the efficiency of filtration and purification. PureHQ filters is made of high-quality charcoal that purify the faucet waters from harmful contaminants. EZBASICS reusable K-Cups for Keurig, universal refillable coffee filters for single-serve coffee maker, 3-pack of reusable pods, black.